Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your router is on 4 GHz if required, and you have the SSID and password ready. Next, create or sign into the app account, enable two-factor authentication for security, and verify email. Once done, plug the smart devices into power and wait for their LED to show pairing mode. This tells the app the device is discoverable. If a device has a physical reset button, use it now to ensure a clean pairing state. You will now pair and configure each device step by step. Open the app, tap Add Device, and choose the device type or scan its QR code. This speeds discovery. When prompted, enter your Wi-Fi credentials. Make sure you use the correct network and grant required permissions like location or local network access so discovery works. After successful pairing, assign the device to a room, give it a clear name, and set a basic automation or schedule so you understand behavior. This reduces confusion later when scaling. You finish by testing every control, toggle devices from the app, run a routine, and confirm voice assistant responses if connected. Once satisfied, enable cloud sync or export settings so you can restore quickly. Also note firmware versions for future updates. If something fails, try this one key troubleshooting tip. Reboot the router and the device, then re-enter Wi-Fi credentials. If that doesn't work, perform a factory reset and repeat pairing. This sequence clears common state issues and resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.